Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to open a Dodge Challenger hood. First, you'll need to find the hood release lever, which is typically located on the driver's side, down by the kick panel. It's usually a small handle with a hood icon. Give that lever a firm pull. You should hear a distinct pop sound from the front of your Challenger, indicating that the primary hood latch has been released. This initial step is crucial for accessing the engine bay. Now that the primary latch is disengaged, head to the front of your Challenger. You'll notice the hood is slightly ajar, creating a small gap near the grille. Carefully reach your hand into this gap, right above the grille, to feel for the secondary release lever. This lever is usually a small, spring-loaded mechanism that needs to be pushed or pulled to fully unlatch the hood. Take your time to locate it properly. Once you've found the secondary release lever, either push it up or pull it to the side, depending on your Challenger's model. As you do this, the hood will fully release. Now, carefully lift the hood all the way open. Look for the hood prop rod, usually located on the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Securely insert the end of the prop rod into the designated hole to keep the hood safely open while you work. Before you start any work, double-check that the hood is securely propped open and won't accidentally fall. This ensures your safety and prevents damage. With the hood open, you can now easily access your engine for routine checks like oil, coolant, and washer fluid levels. Remember, regular maintenance keeps your Challenger running smoothly. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial health, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.